As a business owner, setting yourself up to scale should be your #1 priority. Back when I started, I used to run all over town, servicing my units, picking up supplies while running my real estate business full time. I quickly realized that your business must run without you. Today, I manage over 30 listings that generate over $1.1 million per year. In this video, I'm going to share some tips I wish I knew when I started. This is going to save you a lot of time, headache, and most importantly, set you up for long-term success. So let's start from the basics. There are 3 main steps to every business cycle. 1 is to attract, 2 to deliver, and 3 to retain. Mapping out these steps ensures that you have a solid foundation and a clear roadmap for growth. And in the context of short-term rentals, attracting is actually the process of getting bookings, delivery is the overall experience of the guests, and retaining is gathering reviews and repeat customers. And the advantage of short-term rentals is you can automate all these 3 steps, making it much easier to scale. So let's talk about how I automate step 1. Like most new hosts, I post all of my listings on major booking platforms such as Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com, and then I manually go back and forth between all of them. I make sure that I monitor my phone, all the notification updates on all the bookings that come in and cancellations to make sure that I do not get double booked. I remember being at dinner with friends and family, working at the office, or even during showings with my real estate clients, having to constantly look at my phone just to make sure I do not miss notification updates. And this just consumed my entire day. And not only that, I was spending hours just trying to optimize my listing, updating my description, changing photos, updating promotions and marketing campaigns, just to make sure that I am getting enough traffic on my listings. It was a constant trial and error. And you know, that sort of worked, right? Like it worked for the meantime when I had 2 to 3 properties. But once I went beyond that, it was nearly impossible, especially when I started attracting international guests that would book my listings in the middle of the night. But the good news is there is a simple solution to all of this. Once you start using a property management software, I personally use Hospitable and it has been a breakthrough for my business. Full disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Hospitable, but know that I have been using Hospitable for over 3 years before they actually reached out to me. Everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video are features that I actually use on a daily basis. One of my favorite features is the listing dashboard. This allows me to see all of my listings and all of my properties under one platform and never having to go back and forth between different websites. And the second feature that I love the most is the booking calendar integration. When a booking comes in, it automatically blocks it off on other sites. This prevents double booking or me having to cancel somebody at the very last minute. And with these 2 features, I never have to go back and forth between different sites. It just happens automatically. And not only that, you can also create listings and manage listing status directly from Hospitable. What that means is if you buy a property or if you sell a property, you can activate a new listing and also remove a listing altogether. And with advanced integration features, you can easily track your calendar availability much faster. With the way Hospitable integrates everything, you can easily run an A and B testing by creating multiple listing variations and merging them into one single property. This allows you to test out different descriptions, pictures, and settings. Also, this will allow you to be able to list your property and give it maximum exposure, leading to a higher occupancy rate. When your property gets booked, Hospitable sends automatic check-in instructions and offer upsell features to streamline your guests' overall experience. This also tells them what amenities are available at your property, how to get there, and give your guests an opportunity to upgrade their stay if they choose to. As you can see, I offer late checkouts, early check-in, and even champagne service for a surcharge. On the check-in instructions, I make sure that they are aware of all the basic information that they need to know about the property and the check-in process. From the property address, the check-in time, check-out time, all the door codes and gate codes that they need to access that property, and of course, all the basic house rules. Now moving on to automation step 2. Hospitable just released their new AI bot feature that responds to guests' inquiry and questions after a certain period of time. This is essentially like having a 24-hour front desk. And what's great about it is this bot is trained based on your actual conversations with your guests, so it's not going to give false or random information about your property. However, the bot is not trained to discuss pricings, extensions, or repair requests, so you still have full control of those things. So this guest stayed at Palms Place on January 17, 2026. She gave us a feedback upon checkout, saying that, hi, everything was wonderful. Thanks for hosting me. The only suggestion I'd give to improve the experience is to make sure cleaners put focus on cleaning the tub really well. Everything else was great and I enjoyed my stay. Within 15 minutes, the AI chat box responded to, hi, thank you so much for your kind words and for your valuable feedback about the tub. I truly appreciate it and will make sure to pass it along to ensure even better experience and for future stays. I'm glad you enjoyed your time and I hope to welcome you back again. And believe me when I say that there's nothing more frustrating for a guest than not being able to get a hold of their host. Hospitable's chatbot AI feature is going to allow you to stay at the top of your game with very minimal effort. Around checkout time, Hospitable also sends my guests checkout instructions 24 and 48 hours prior to departure. It just basically reminds them what their checkout time is and all the checkout instructions that they need to know. That way you don't run into turnover issues. And just to touch on the calendar integration again, what I really love about this is Hospitable is able to integrate with our cleaning software. What that means is all the bookings that come in and all the departures that are happening in one day, it integrates it automatically to Resort Cleaning, notifying our cleaners their schedule, if there's any cancellations, if there's any late checkouts, or if there's any changes in their schedule without me having to manually text them. And when I was starting this whole short-term rental business, this was truly one of the biggest challenges I have to face, is to manually text my cleaners any changes or any cancellations that are happening to my property. It just became way too chaotic and very unrealistic as soon as you get past more than 5 properties. So the integration of Hospitable and Resort Cleaning or any other cleaning software was truly a game changer for me. Last but not least is step number 3. Within 48 hours of our guests checking out, I make sure I send them a message asking them to leave us a review, and a few more messages thereafter inviting them to book with us again. We also offer them a small discount for being a repeat client. As you can see, we work really hard to maintain our property's good reputation because reviews are everything. Listings with more reviews are going to rank higher, they're going to get booked more frequently, and people are going to pay higher rates because they trust it more. And this is how I turn my short-term rental business into a well-oiled machine. Hospitable has honestly been a total game changer for me and my business. And I just can't imagine not ever having their property management software. So if you'd like to give them a try, I will leave their link down below so that you can get special pricing for the next 90 days. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. That way I can continue making content just like this one. And if you have any questions on how to get started on your first short-term rental business or just any general real estate related questions, feel free to reach out to me via Instagram and I'd love to work with you. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in my next video.